welcome back to my channel. Today I just had an amazing pizza. Here it is. This is the simplest and most amazing pizza recipe I've done so far on this channel. It's super quick to make. It takes about 20 minutes to do and it's just amazing. So probably by now the video recipe is out so you can make it yourself. If it's out, it's in the description box below so you can check it out. And it just reminds me the most normal, regular, before keto life pizza, so definitely try it out. And today we're gonna make a chocolate coconut square dessert, super easy to make and very quick, and it's so yummy. I wanted to hold it back for my upcoming cookbook, but then I decided this is just so good, I can't hold this back. So now you will get it. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Yvette. I am a certified ketogenic health coach. If you need one-on-one tailor-made coaching, then go to our website, sign up, and I am ready to coach you. Generally, I do recipe videos just like this one. I share my keto and weight loss journey with keto and intermittent fasting. I share tips and things what worked really well for me to lose weight and drop over 37 pounds in 9 months and several inches. So if you are into these things, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And now I will show you how to make this super quick and yummy dessert. And as I always say, preheat your oven ahead of time, and we will put the oven on 150 Celsius, and this is, yeah, exactly that much Fahrenheit. And now we will just mix everything into one bowl and then put it into the oven. The ingredients are raw cacao powder, baking powder, vanilla extract, melted grass-fed butter, 2 eggs, Celtic sea salt, xylitol, heavy whipped cream, coconut protein powder. I got this to try it from a Danish vitamin and health store. It's a really good product. It's worth for the money. And they ship worldwide, so I will put it into the description box below for you. You can check it out or just buy one on Amazon. And of course, cocoa flakes from here. And this is what we need. And of course, one large bowl. You need 3 big tablespoons of raw cacao powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of coconut protein powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of xylitol, depends on how sweet you like. I will go with 2 for now. And then 2 tablespoons of melted grass-fed butter, half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Good, and then you can just mix this together. Very good, and now we will do the eggs. And you just whip them as you would make an omelette. Great, and now you add this to the chocolatey mixture and mix that up. Good, and now we will give a pinch of a sea salt to this. And now we add a cup of cocoa flakes. And it's easier to mix it together if you use your machine. Very good, and now taste try. Very good. For me, 2 tablespoons of xylitol is enough. If you like it sweeter, add more. And now you need your baking form. Here is my baking form, and I will get the baking sheet in it. And now you just pour your mixture into the form. And I will put everything into the description box below if you wanna buy any of the products I am using. Very good, and now you can sprinkle some extra cocoa flakes on top. Then you set the timer for 30-35 minutes. Okay, so this is out of the oven after 30 minutes. It's a perfect consistency, and we just let it to cool down for now. And now we are going to slice it up. I am gonna cut it up into small squares, but you can just choose as you wish. It tastes amazing, and if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit more coconut flakes on top to make it look even more delicious as it is already. And now it's ready to serve. Okay, Okay, so here are they look super pretty. Anybody would be happy to eat them. They are super chocolatey, super nice, and yeah, I am in love with them. This is my current favorite dessert, and yeah, you just can't get enough out of it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.